Hello everyone, this is the Roving Reporter, and today we're going to talk a bit about tutorials. There are tutorials for everything nowadays, but how can we use tutorials really effectively in teaching? The most important thing about tutorials is that you need to keep things simple. Make sure that the instructions are always broken down into small parts. So simple, easy instructions with a lot of visuals. Those are the key two things to making tutorials really work in micro learning, in remote learning, in face-to-face learning. It doesn't matter where you are. Just make sure that these instructions are clear in terms of language, and often use things in terms of the imperative. So all of the language should always be in terms of what they have to do, giving commands and making sure that as you give the commands, students see the things taking place. And that is the most important thing, because it's going to boost their confidence. It's going to give them a chance to really think that, yes, I can perform that task. That's it.